And in the run-up to passing the 3 strategic laws, prior to that, we had amended the Constitution, the People's National Party government, to put local government in the Constitution. And the Constitution says that there shall continue to be a system of democratic local governance. Now, let me tell you, if them feel them can extend it again, we are going to take them to court. And we are going to test the constitutionality of that, because if they try it again, they will have extended the term of the existing councillors by 100% on spurious grounds. And I am very confident that our courts will not allow that to happen, because that cannot be consistent with a democratic system of local governance. So I'm warning them, don't bother try that again. Call the local government election before the time comes for the end of this 1-year period, which you will put in place in February on bogus grounds. Call it, Andrew. Call it.